Lamagi. Tanghalian na. Ay. Magawa sa bahay. Sarap pala dito magtambay. Ay, good luck sa semi-final nyo. Good luck sa semi-final. Ganda dito. Napaka peaceful. Tapos pogi ko pa. 6 PM. Nako. Diretso na naman ang game ni Boss John nito. Boss, manonood ako. Yung mga nag-order pala, dito na yung mga epictus. Yung mga nag-order ng pang week-in ng gabi, happy for pick up na or for deliver. Forever and ever, be man. I'm gonna love you forever and ever. I love you forever. You're tired na? Say hi. Say hi to my live, ni. Hi, go. Say hi, ni. It's a live. And you're eating. See? You tired na? You play with the guys?
Yeah, I play with the big boys.
The big boys?
Yeah, I kicked the ball a little bit.
You kick the ball? You wanna play soccer? Or basketball? Soccer? What about basketball? Both?
Basketball, I don't know how.
You don't know how to play basketball? Daddy too.
Why? Because you always lose?
Alinaw. You always lose, sabi niya. Alinaw. No, we're not. Diyan. Because you always lose. Minsan ka lang nanood. Natalo pa. Alinaw. Because you always lose, sabi niya. Let's go home na? You're tired?
No.
Not yet? like this place? It's so relaxing here, right?
Airplane. Open your head, Mama.
Say hi to Mama Sel. Hi Mama Sel. Go. Mama Sel is watching. Say hi to Mama Sel. Say hi to Mama Sel. Hey, Mama Sel is watching. Maricel Chico is watching.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Ice cream? Okay, let's go find ice cream. Hold daddy's, mommy's hand. Okay, let's go. Mainit na rin eh. Here. We're gonna find a ice cream truck.
I just want to find Sam first.
Huh?
I want to find Sam.
Ganda dito. Mainit na pero sarap magpapawis. Dito na ako mag-jogging. Oh. Makapag-jogging na dito. Nakakaingit itong mga nag-jogging, oh. Hindi ako nakadala ng running shoes ko. Naka-crocs lang eh. Sakit sa paa. Dito baka may hito. May mga hitos din siguro dito. Hito. Wala. Maganda dito. Dito kami sa may Downsview Park. Ano, sarap din, no, relaxing dyan din, no. May puno na yan, no. So, natatakam na ng ice cream tong kasama naming aling maliit. Sarap ano dyan ng camping. Bolos di camping. Carry me. No.
Carry me.
Okay, carry me. Amigal. Okay, here in my hold my phone.
Carry me.
Yeah, I will carry you on my shoulder.
Carry me.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Mommy.
Carry me.
Naka-on yan sa harap ah. Okay, come.
Carry me.
Nandiyan.
Carry me.
Nandiyan. 1, 2, 3.
He wants to see the snow, yeah, and then go back. Is it?
lakad-lakad ka tapos magpapabuhat ka lang bala.
Tapos aakyat ka doon.
Hindi na. Aakit ka pa dyan eh. Ang taas-taas. Dito na tayo. Aakit. Ikaw, aakit ka. Patay mo na. Nagpabuhat ng
Hindi ko makita.